Today, we're going to cover the Coin app, including how to use it and maximize your earnings. Using the Coin app, you can trade your location data to earn coin tokens, which can be redeemed for crypto, such as XYO, Bitcoin, or Ethereum, or for physical products like a Nintendo Switch or Oculus Quest. I've been using the Coin app for a while, so I'd like to share with you how I use it to earn XYO tokens. If you don't have the Coin app installed already, click the link in the description to download it. By using my link, you'll get a bonus of 1,000 coins as soon as you create your account. The Coin app is available for both Android and iOS. Once you have it installed, you'll need to enable location services since the app relies on your location to geomine for tokens. Next, you'll want to set up your account. You can geomine without an account, but you'll lose all of your coins if you misplace your phone. It's better to create an account so your coins are linked to your email. This is what the app looks like. You can see your current balance at the center top of the screen. If I tap on it, it opens the earnings section where you can see how much coin you have, see how much you've made today, as well as set your daily goal, and view redeem options after you earn enough to redeem. Now we need to earn some coin tokens to redeem, so let's look at the ways that you can do that. The first way to earn coin is to geomine. The app displays a map of your current location, and you can't see it yet, but it's divided into small sections called quad tiles. When you geomine by clicking the pickaxe icon in the bottom center of the screen, a blue ring will build up around the icon. Once the tile's been geomined, some tokens will be deposited into your account. The amount you receive is determined by the current value of the tile you're on, and may be multiplied if you have a Plus or Pro account. Since I have a Pro account, the amount I receive for each geomine will be higher than I would receive with a basic account. Notice the tile we're standing on has turned blue. That means this tile has been geomined by us and won't be available to be mined again until a short period of time passes. If another user has geomined the tile, it will appear gray to you. So the easiest way to earn more coin is to move to another tile and mine again. But if you aren't on the move, you can still keep geomining the same tile. Just tap on a blue tile, and you'll be able to play a short mini-game to reset that tile. Complete the game, and the tile can be mined again. You can do this on a gray tile mined by another user, but you'll earn a much lower return. Now, if you're new to the Coin app, you'll have to manually click the pickaxe icon each time you want to mine a new tile. But after a while, you'll unlock the Auto Explore ability. Once this is activated, all you need to do is travel to a new tile, and the app will automatically mine it for you. There are other features you'll unlock as you use the app for the first time, and those will show up on the screen as they are unlocked. There are also other earning opportunities on the right side of my screen that may not currently appear on your screen. To access these, click the plus icon on the top right, and click the pin icon on each opportunity you'd like added to your home screen. I just pinned everything, so I'll always have quick access to all the features. If you're going to use the app while in one location for a while, you can earn more from each geomine if you activate the home base feature. Once you geomine 3 times from the same square, your home base should be activated, which you can see by this blue line drawn around the 9 tiles surrounding me. If your home base isn't activated in 3 geomines, just keep mining the same tile until it is activated. Usually 3 is enough, but occasionally it takes a little longer. Once your home base is active, you'll start to earn a bonus percentage on each geomine that occurs inside this base. If you clear a tile outside of this, the home base will be cleared, and you'll stop receiving the bonus until you set up a new home base. Click the home icon to see your current home base bonus. Check the box next to Turn on Home Base Shield. This will prevent you from clearing the home base when you didn't mean to, causing you to reset your bonus. Every hour that you remain within the home base, your bonus will increase by 10%, up to a maximum of 100% after 10 hours. After 24 hours, the home base will be cleared, and you'll have to create a new one. If you're leaving the area, click Clear Current Home Base, or try to geomine a tile outside of the base so you can turn Auto Explore back on. The amount of coin you receive from each geomine varies, and sometimes you get lucky and get a big geomine. These can pay out anywhere from hundreds to thousands of coin in a single mine. There's nothing you can do to improve your chances other than mine more tiles, but you can also earn from witnessing other users' big geomines. When you see the icon with 3 stars, tap it to open the Big Geomines section. Here you can see all of the big geomines that have been found recently. Tap on them to witness them, and if you're one of the first 200 users to do so, you'll receive some coin relative to how much coin the big geomine was for, and how quickly you were able to witness it. So the first person to witness the big geomine gets the most coin. While this section is open, click refresh to check if there are any new geomines. Also, there's a daily contest with the prize being equal to 1 coin for each big geomine witnessed the previous day. Each big geomine you witness will give you 1 more entry into the contest. The next way to earn is through watching ads. There are 2 types of rewarded ads you can play: video ads and audio ads. As you geomine, you'll occasionally find a video ad that you can watch for more coin. You can watch this ad by clicking the green play icon on the left, and a short video will play. You can collect up to 5 ads at a time, so I like to let them add up to 5 and then watch them one by one. After an ad plays, you'll need to mine 1 more tile to get access to your ads again. You can also play audio ads if you turn them on when you click the Auto Explore option for the first time, or in the settings, which you can find in your account section. These will play automatically after you geomine a tile if you have your volume turned up loud enough. Video and audio ads are one of the best ways to boost your earnings, especially if you have a Plus or Pro account, since the ads pay out even more if you're upgraded. Background rewards will let you earn coin when you're not using the app and have it closed down. Click this robot icon to open the background rewards section. As you use the app, you'll start to build up a charge that will determine how long you can earn while you're away. If you have a premium account, you'll be able to earn for longer periods of time and at a higher rate. You can see the maximum time you can charge up to, which is 9 hours for the Pro plan. With my plan, I'm given a 3 times boost, and it will take me 30 minutes of having the app open to completely recharge. You also want to enable location services always on for the Coin app, which will give you a 10 times boost to your background reward earnings. If you're finding any of this useful, please leave a like and subscribe for more content. It would really help out the channel to grow and reach more people. One of the ways you can earn the most coin is by doing offers, surveys, or playing games. Tap the clipboard icon to get to the rewarded tasks area. From here, there are a bunch of ways you can earn coin, but we're going to focus on the first 3. With rewarded surveys, you can take surveys from 3 different survey providers, with the coin being paid out in a bonus drop. Rewarded play lets you install games and play until you meet certain requirements, which will pay out large amounts of coin. Special offers is a bunch of great opportunities to earn large amounts of coin for signing up for sites like Robinhood or Acorns. Make sure you check out these opportunities, as well as the others that you'll find in the rewarded tasks area, to find some of the highest paying offers in the app. Sometimes when you're out, you might get a chance to view a sponsored message from a participating location called Store Visits. You'll be able to watch a short ad for some coin, and then you might get the opportunity to do product scans within that location. All you have to do is scan a specific product and get a small reward. You can also earn HODL Rewards for holding coin tokens on the app, XYO in a Coinbase wallet, or in a Uniswap position. You can see the annual yield here for each of the 3 options. This gives you a small amount each day that you can claim by tapping Collect. Each user can also earn a weekly bonus drop by using the app throughout the week. The amount of coin you'll receive will vary, but it can be powered up by geomining, geodropping, and geoclaiming. You can power up the weekly bonus by up to 10 times the base amount, which you'll receive as a bonus drop every 7 days starting from the day you sign up for your account. Premium accounts power up faster than the free account, so if you're an upgraded user, you'll be able to get a much larger weekly bonus. Occasionally, you'll find a geodrop that another user has placed, which will appear as an orange tile. When you are on or adjacent to an orange tile, you can claim the geodrop, which will be anywhere from 10 to 300 coin. Multiple geodrops can be placed on the same tile, so sometimes you might find even more if they've been stacked. You can also place your own geodrops by tapping the parachute icon in the lower left corner. Here you can set the amount you want to drop. Current lets you place a geodrop on the current tile, while Any will send a geodrop to the next user who mines any tile. You can also restrict a geodrop to a specific email address or leave a note to the person who finds it. By tapping the flag icon in the lower right corner, you can access the Geoclaim section. Here, you can chip in coin to gain ownership over a 25 by 25 mile section of tiles that you are currently located in, which gives you a chance to collect 10% of the rewards each time someone else geomines in your area. Once a week, your Geoclaim earnings will be deposited into your account as a bonus drop. You can earn with Referral Rewards by getting your friends to sign up with your referral link. You'll be able to earn 10% of their earnings for as long as they use the app, and they'll get a starting bonus of 1,000 coins towards their first redemption. If you haven't signed up yet, please consider using my referral link, which you can find in the description. I don't have any referrals yet, so I'd really appreciate it if you signed up under me. You can boost your earnings even further with the SentinalX, a small card that can help verify your location. You can order a SentinalX from the Coin app website, and currently it's free except for shipping. When you scan it, you'll get a 12 times boost to your earnings if you're on a free account. If you're on a premium account, you'll get the boosts from your membership level plus an extra 10% while your device is paired with the SentinalX. You can also take your SentinalX out with you and have people scan it with their phone, which will automatically refer them to the app with your link, which makes it much easier to refer people when you're out. You can boost all of your earnings across all of these activities with a premium membership. There are 3 membership levels that you can choose from: Basic, Plus, and Pro. Basic is the free plan that you start out on, while Plus costs $24.95 a month, and Pro costs $34.95 a month. With a Plus account, your Geomines will be multiplied by 24. You'll mine twice as fast, and you'll get 2 times as many big Geomines. For the Pro level, you'll get 36 times the Geomining rewards, which is a huge improvement. You'll mine 3 times as fast, and you'll have 3 times the chance to receive a big Geomine. There are lots of other benefits to having a premium membership, but these are some of the most important. How to redeem. Once you earn enough coin, you're going to want to redeem them, which you can do by clicking on your balance and tapping View Redeem options. You'll need at least 10,000 coin to make a redemption, and if you're on a basic membership, you'll only be able to redeem once every 2 weeks. If you are Pro or Premium, you'll be able to redeem weekly. There are lots of options you can redeem your coin for, including XYO, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. Or you can use your coin to enter sweepstakes for a bunch of different items, including a sweepstakes that runs for all of 2023 for a chance to win a 5-ounce gold bar worth $10,000. For the most part, I would suggest redeeming for XYO tokens, but it's up to you if you find something else you'd like to redeem for. Just select the reward you'd like to choose and tap Redeem. I'll choose XYO, but before I redeem, notice that it says currently 76 XYO per 1,000 coin. The amount of XYO you receive per 1,000 coin fluctuates based on the current value of XYO. You'll also need to link up a Coinbase email to the Coin app so they can send the XYO to your wallet. Select the amount you want to redeem for, and tap Next. You'll need to confirm that you're trying to make a withdrawal in an email which you'll receive. After that, it can take up to 7 days for the XYO to be deposited into your account, but I usually receive mine within a few hours. I've been using the Coin app for over a year now, and I would definitely recommend it if you want to earn some XYO tokens or other crypto easily. I've received multiple payouts and never had any issues, and I plan to keep using it into the future. Comment below your favorite way to earn coin in the Coin app, and let's help each other learn how to maximize our earnings. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy this content and want to see more like it. See you next time.